In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix verification code not received on Android. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. You will see a menu that provides quick access to various features of your device. This action is crucial because it allows you to manage your device settings without navigating through multiple menus. Once you swipe down, you'll notice icons for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. This is your gateway to quickly resolving connectivity issues, which can often be the reason you're not receiving verification codes. Next, tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Enabling airplane mode refreshes your cellular connection. This little step is vital because it can fix temporary network drops that might be preventing your device from receiving messages. After you toggle airplane mode off, you should notice your phone reconnecting to the network, which is a reassuring sign that you are back online. Now, open the Messages app on your Android device. This is where your verification codes typically arrive. Once you tap the app icon, you will be greeted by your recent messages. It's important to check this app because the code might have been sent and simply not visible right away. If you don't see the code, don't worry. We will investigate further. After that, tap your profile icon located at the top right corner and select Spam and Blocked. This step is important because sometimes legitimate messages can land in the spam folder by mistake. By checking here, you can ensure that you haven't missed any important messages, including your verification code. Once you access this section, you can quickly review any filtered messages. Next, check if the code is hidden there. Look through the list in the spam folder to see if your verification message has been mistakenly categorized. If you find it, you can easily restore it to your inbox. This action can save you time and frustration, as it allows you to retrieve important messages without additional steps. To turn this off permanently, tap the three dots or your profile icon again, then click on Messages Settings and choose General Settings. This is a proactive step to prevent future messages from being misclassified as spam. Adjusting these settings ensures that you receive all your messages without interference. It's a simple adjustment that can save you from potential headaches later on. From there, click on Protection and Safety. This section contains settings that help manage how your messages are filtered. Understanding these options is key to maintaining a smooth messaging experience. It's worth noting that the settings here can significantly impact your ability to receive important texts. Next, navigate to Spam Protection and toggle Enable Spam Protection to off. Disabling this feature ensures that you won't miss any important messages again. This adjustment directly impacts your message delivery and is crucial for managing your incoming communications effectively. Once you turn it off, you should see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your settings have been successfully updated. Alternatively, a corrupted app cache can stall incoming texts. Open your phone's settings, then go to Apps and select Messages. This step addresses another common issue that might hinder message delivery. By accessing the app settings, you can manage how your device interacts with the Messages app. Tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache. Remember, do not tap Clear Data or you may lose old texts. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing issues, helping the app function more smoothly. This little maintenance step can often resolve glitches that lead to missing messages. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot the issue of not receiving verification codes on your Android device. Each step is designed to address common problems while ensuring that you stay connected and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue.